It's Saturday morning. I just thought I'd do a quick one. Got a little bit of time before I go on to what I'm doing next. Saturday's weekend for me, although it is my time off, I am also available to be contacted by my customers, whether that's by phone, text message, WhatsApp, through my website, emails. I don't get that many, to be honest with you, and it doesn't really interrupt my personal life. But it's just part of an additional service that I do offer to my customers. So I think it's important that if you are self-employed, working for yourself as an agent, obviously sales are an important part of our business. That's how we earn our money. So it's being available to your customers, and if you can be seen to giving that extra little bit of service to your customer, hopefully you're the one they come to every time they need something. What I did just quickly want to mention on this particular video is I very often see and I hear people slagging off other companies. That, in my opinion, isn't very professional. Yes, there are companies out there that are woeful. They offer a poor service, poor product, but people for some reason still want to do business with them. Never understand that. But it's my job to sell and promote the companies that I work for. I'm not interested in what other companies are doing. Obviously you have to do your research, you have to be aware of the products they're doing, but in terms of how they run their business, it really doesn't concern me at all. The worse they are, the better it is for me. So I never slag off other companies. I may have an opinion on something if somebody asks me a question, but I don't outright slag any company off, any person off, because I think it's very unprofessional. And at the end of the day, these sort of conversations can come back and bite you on the arse, because someone will mention something about, oh, John said this, John said that, and it causes not aggravation, but it causes an unhealthy relationship with some people that you may know in a professional way. So yeah, so if you are out and about talking to customers, obviously have an opinion, but don't outright slag any company off. They're all in business, they're all trying their best, or they should be trying their best. But that's all I wanted to say today. Stay professional, look after your customers, they'll look after you, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you could, I'd appreciate it if you shared as well. I want to try and build up the channel just to try and get more people involved and pass on this information. So yeah, so if you click the like, subscribe and share.